Hello, this is a short video presentation on factoring sum and differences of perfect cubes. Perfect cubes are numbers like 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, and so on. Why are these perfect cubes? Because 1 cubed is equal to 1. 8 because 2 cubed is equal to 8. 27 because 3 cubed, and so on. 4 cubed and 5 cubed. These are perfect cubes. Perfect cubes. All right, the formula that we use for the sum and difference of cubes is given like this. A cubed plus b cubed, the sum of perfect cubes, is equal to quantity a plus b times the quantity a squared minus ab plus b squared. And the difference of cubes is given as a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now, if you forget which one is which, number one, the way I memorize it is the one where we're adding, starts with adding, and then the next sign is the opposite. The one of subtracting starts with subtraction, and the next one is opposite. But if you ever want to check, you can verify this by actually multiplying it out. So let's look at this one right here. All right, I rewrote it. Now we can multiply it. So we'll take a times a squared, a times ab, and a times b squared. And we get a cubed, a times ab plus a squared b plus a times b squared is ab squared. And then we can take negative b times a squared, negative a squared b, just writing it different order. Negative b times ab squared is minus ab squared, and negative b times b squared is minus b cubed. These cancel, and we have a cubed minus b cubed. So if you forget, or you're not sure if it's right, you can always check it by multiplying. All right, let's do a couple of examples. We want to factor x cubed minus 8. Now, I'm going to rewrite the formula up here. And now we're going to factor this. If you memorize the formula, it's also very easy. A equals x, b equals 2. Well, we just plug it into this formula. X cubed minus 8, a is x, b is 2, minus 2, times a is x, so x squared, plus a is x, b is 2, but we write the coefficient first, 2x, plus b squared, b is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. And we're done. That's all there is to it. Let's look at an example using sum of cubes. We'll go with 8x cubed plus 27. And a, in this case, this is the same as 2x cubed plus 3 cubed. So a is 2x and b equals 3. So when we factor it, remember this is what we're factoring. We have a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b times the quantity a squared minus ab plus b squared. So a is 2x, b is 3. That's the ugliest 3 I've ever seen. B is 3. A squared is 2x squared. And I'm going to do this in 2 steps. 2x squared minus AB. A is 2x, B is 3. Plus b squared, 3 squared. I should have had that moved over more. And this is equal to quantity 2x plus 3 times 2x squared, 2x times 2x, 4x squared, minus 2x times 3, 6x, plus 9. All right? Now, the thing that's a little bit confusing for this is that we have a coefficient for the, I lost my pen here. We have a coefficient here of our a term. So just remember, when you square that, it's not 2x squared, it's 2x times 2x. And when you have a times b, it's 3 times 2x. All right? Very simple. You must memorize these formulas. You must memorize them, and you're expected to know them in calculus. It's something you're expected to know, so it's a lot easier to refresh your memory in 12th grade if you actually memorized it now. All right, have a great weekend, and go Packers go. Go Pack. No Cowboys. All right, talk to you later.